Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing? Hope you guys is doing wonderful. All right guys, so I'm in the garden, but I want to show you guys something. I ain't get rain for a few days and a lot of my slip them is small. I'm not worried about the big one, because once the big ones start growing, I really don't need to water them, because I already plant them a certain way that I know they could last for a period of time without water. But these are seedlings that I set, and they already, I know they need some water. Even some down here, they need some water. Even these okra slip, I definitely know they need some water. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go down to the creek and get water. So you see guys, this garden do not use pipe water. It only use rain water. No, that's what I'm trying to basically do everything natural, guys. And guess what guys, look what's going on here. Look here. That's a whole patch of squash just goes up right there in the garden. Ain't that a blessing? Look, the amount just grows up. So this is a good thing, man. When you're doing these gardening, you could leave stuff and they just shoot right back up. Because that may be a squash I leave there and then it decay and then the seeds them just bust right up. So look the amount of squash I got there. So I don't know if you guys want to take the journey with me, but I also have a flowers down there that I want to cut a piece from. So if you guys want to journey with me, let's go. So yes, so I basically go in and try to get some water just for the small slip. I don't usually wet the big ones because I know they could last. So just take this nice, beautiful walk with me. Smell nice down inside here. Some kind of plant is pushing off a beautiful flowers, a beautiful scent, like perfume. All right guys, this is an elderberry plant right here, growing up right here. These plants, these are plant named leather skin. You guys can do your research on leather skin, and they say these jellies, these fruits, they use them and make jelly. So this plant basically, mostly you will find them in China and those areas. This is where I find compost as well. You see here what? All that is compost, natural compost. So from time to time I come down in here with my shovel and my pick and I get those rotten tree trunks and they help the grow your plants pretty well. All right guys, so this plant produce such a beautiful flowers that it catch my eyes. Yes, it definitely catch my eyes. So what I want to do, I want to grab a few cutlings from this plant and see if they're gonna come anything. But this is a plant I just love the flowers. Beautiful. So I'm gonna cut it right here. It's hard for me to do it with the with one hand, but I'm trying. And it also push a beautiful scent. All right, so I'm gonna use this as a cutling and a few more pieces. I think G Mama says she want a piece of it, so I'm gonna try and see if I can get them going, and then I can always get a piece for her. Okay, so this is it right here. So I'm going to, a matter of fact, I'm going to stick this in the earth, because a lot of plants I cut, all I do stick them in the earth and they start growing. Especially now it's springtime, so this is the right time to put them in the earth. Okay. All right, so I just need a bucket of water. So I'm gonna come down here and I'm gonna go in the deepest part and grab me some water. This is nice sun right here. All right guys, so I get my bucket of water, so I'm heading back up to wet those small plants. All right, so just look at the flowers. Very beautiful flowers, beautiful. Oh, and it smells nice. It smells nice. My goodness. Wow. This is a good plant, so I wanna take them. Have another piece here as well. Okay, so this is 2 pieces I have. Okay, so now I'm heading back to go and give those small plants some water. You see, all these stakes, you see how these stake is? I can use these stakes to stake my tomato plants them. So I can come inside here and get a few pieces of these sticks and stake my tomato, my pepper, whatever I want to stake. Nature have a lot to offer, guys. Sometimes we just don't know it because we have no idea. But I'll tell you this, without nature, we wouldn't be able to be here. You see, the trees, the big trees go through the same thing we go through, right? Why I tell you that, right? You know, sometimes we grow old and we die and we just die and they put us in the grave and then we decay. The same thing with the trees. Sometimes they grow old and they just die. Okay? With the trees now, I'm going to show you the length of these trees. This is the root of this tree. And around here, a lot of mushroom does be growing. So soon, you guys going to be seeing a lot of mushroom. But anyhow, just like how nature operates with the plant is the same way it operates with us. Because this is a tree going all over here that I'm walking on. And it going all the way over there. Okay? So what I'm talking about is, same like how the trees fall down, fall down. Sometimes the wind blow them down. But you understand, it's the same thing happen to us. Sometimes we die because of other things. Not just old age. You know? Something could fall and hit you and you die. You know what I mean? So, it's no excuse of dying. You could die anyhow. But it's the same thing with the plant. They could grow to old age and die. The wind could blow them out the root and they die. And there's other trees that can grow and stifle them and kill them as well. So, this is basically how nature operates. With the trees, with us. We can die from old age and we can even die from a young age. In these jungles, sometimes the big trees stop the small trees from growing because they block the sunlight. And with nature, a lot of people could block you from exceeding into a higher position in your job, into progressing, raising your vibration. They could give you wrong information, or they could try to prevent you, tell lies on you. So, you understand, to prevent you from growing to that purity you want to get to. And it's the same in here. A lot of these trees could be a lot bigger, but because of these big trees blocking the sunlight, it keeping them from progress to that maturity. So this is how nature operates. Some got to live for some to die. Same with reality, same with us. That's how it's happened. Somebody died today, there's a lot of babies gonna born tomorrow or the same day to replace that person. Okay? So yes, so this is the journey of nature. I hope you guys enjoy this video, because I do trying to raise the vibration of a lot of people understanding how nature operates. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to wet these seedlings. So let me show you my whole process. See here, I have some pieces of potato to plant. I'm always planting something, guys. Okay, So this is my coconut. This bowl made from coconut. This is a coconut shell. Usually I have some that I eat into, but now I have one to wet my plants with. So I dip the water and then I just start wetting. Because I know the sun is gonna be really hot today and the sun ain't out as yet. The sun is out, but it ain't hot as yet. We're still in the morning. When the sun hot, I would not wet these plants at this time. All these, let me give them some water. I have some tomato seed in this as well, seedlings. Okay, let me wet these okras. All these potato, they need wetting. Even this tomato, I will not wet them. These things plant so deep that they could last 3 weeks without water. So I wouldn't wet these things. I'll only wet small young plants that I now plant. Like these I plant, this is eggplant I plant a couple days ago. So I know for a fact they're gonna need some water. Even here. Only things I now plant, I will wet. Yes, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this journey with me this morning. I hope it's fun for you guys. I hope you guys learn something. I hope you guys see something that motivates you. Because my channel is about motivating people and help lift their spirit. That's what it's about. Motivating and help lifting spirit. All right, so thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Blessing. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. All right.